Okay guys, just had a package show up. I'm excited to see what it is because I get the feeling I already know what this is. So that nitro that I had to send back, they didn't have a replacement for me, so they just refunded it. So I decided to get something a little bit different. With that. So I decided to get myself the special edition Traxxas Fox Ford F-150 Raptor. So I'm going to open this up, and we're going to have a look at it, then I'm going to charge it, and then we'll take it for a drive, and we'll see how good this thing is. I've seen videos of this online. I thought this looked really cool, and I have another Traxxas already, but I only own one Traxxas, so this will now be my second Traxxas. So let's get it out of the box, let's have a look at it. Alright, now that plastic's out of the way, let's open the actual box. Alright, so first thing in the box, the radio. I really like these Traxxas radios, I think they're quite nice, so let's come off. Alright, we'll put that back on then. Perfect. Paperwork. There's that charger. Another one of these little tools. I might give this one to Smash Things One actually for his car because I've already got 3 of these. Got some spare body clips in there. There's that small little plasticky bits. Probably got some gears in there as well if I want to make it high gear. I have no idea what that is. I'll open that all up off camera and I'll see what all of that stuff is. Now, the actual truck itself. Oh my god, it's big. It's very big. I don't know what scale this one is actually. I thought this was supposed to be a 110. I thought this was a 110 scale, but it looks bigger than a 110 scale. $7. Ready to run, officially licensed. Traxxas, the year, blah blah blah. I can't actually see if it says what scale it is on the box. Okay, I'll have a bit more of a look at that in a minute then. Just sit all that over there for now, that's fine, that's all stuff that I'll deal with. Oh, come on, there we go. It's 1 body clip, 2 body clip, 3 and 4 body clip. Body off of there, be gentle with that. Alright, just little bits and pieces, more little bits and pieces, probably just do's and don'ts, all that basic kind of stuff that they always include. That's a bit different. Never seen a body clip on a full 90-degree bend like that. It's a very different battery tray to what my other one has as well. The other Traxxas that I have, it's just a little bit of a bar that goes across here. You'll see that in another video. I don't know what order I'm uploading all these in. These batteries, I will argue, are very good batteries. The Traxxas always seem to have really good performance. I just don't like these ID clips on them because the chargers they give you is like a car charger to like plug into your vehicle while you're driving, which I don't particularly like very much. But if you want to get the actual charger for it, that's like an extra $100 Australian on top of your truck and your batteries for your controller. What does it say? It takes 4, I believe. 4 AA. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4 AA in there. So I'll grab some batteries. We'll put those in. But they like putting little bits of little cards and stuff all over these, don't they? As we got. Oh yeah, so these are these Titan 550 12-turn motors. We recently put one in our Smash Things 1's monster truck for him. So the reason we did that is because after he saw the performance of my Traxxas Bandit, my little blue one that I have, he decided that, you know what, I think that might be the perfect motor for what I'm wanting, because he's all about speed and power, and to an extent I love the speed and power too. That's got some really nice suspension on it actually, look at that, it's really nice. Wheels nice and firm. I like this little beadlock sort of design they got going on here. XL5 ESC, same as what's in the Bandit. I'm guessing that's the same servo. Look at that big can, look at it. The only thing I don't like about these Traxxas ones, I wish they had sort of like a cover or something over this, because I'm always paranoid that I'm going to take a bad landing, or rock's going to get in there, or something's going to happen that'll just kill the motor. And these motors aren't cheap. Like in your country they might be cheaper, but for me in Australia they cost anywhere from about $50 to $60, and then whatever the postage is on top of that, so they can be pretty expensive. So yep, put the antenna up. Like this one's already got the plastic on it, the Bandit you have to do all that yourself. So that means that the truck body must have a point for that somewhere. Just grab it out the plastic and put the body on. Oh yep, there it is, just right on top there. That's where the antenna will come out. Sorry guys, it's a little bit difficult trying to put these bodies on and record at the same time, so I'll put the body on and then I'll put these back on. Alright, there we are. Oh, that looks so nice. So, the only reason I opted for the Fox body over the other ones is because the Ford Raptor F-150 I think is actually one of my favourite ute designs. I actually really like the way these utes look, or pickup trucks, or just trucks, or whatever the hell you call them overseas. Call them utes in Australia most of the time. It's got little side rear mirrors on it, I like that a lot. There it is on the front there. Can't probably really see it on the camera, but it's got Ford nice and big right there across the grille. And then on the back, you got all this little stickers and everything. But the reason I opted for the Fox one is because it was the same price as all the other bodies, and I didn't really like the sort of just plain silver or plain black body. I wanted something a little bit different. So most of my other cars that I've got have bodies with designs all over them. This one's my shelf queen at the moment. I think this is my favourite buggy that I've got currently in terms of looks and style, but there's a good chance after this one gets driven and I see how it performs, this will probably become the new shelf queen, just because, I mean, holy crap, it looks so nice. Just to ignore all the little Legos and everything in the background, I build them a lot in my spare time as well. Just hobbies just to keep me going, you know. I really do like me hobbies. RC cars and Lego are definitely my two favourite hobbies that I have. I don't even know if I want to put the antenna out the roof, because I don't know if it's going to make it look stupid or not, but it's better than it flopping around. Got the nice sort of air intake there. This body really does have a lot of detail on it. Like, Traxxas, kudos, I'm very impressed with this. This is actually probably the nicest body I have on any of my RCs now, in terms of just the detail and like the hard plastic that's on it. It's really nice, actually. Yeah, so this truck here cost me 500 Australian dollars. I think in America I've been seeing that you can pick the Ford F-150 Traxxas Raptors up for around $300 US mark or whatever. I don't know what the conversion is. I say that in all my videos. I don't live in America, so I have no reason to look up you guys' money, sorry. But I only care about the currency I'm dealing with, and the price was right. I saw some videos of this car driving, and I thought, hell, why not? I'm sorry, I really can't stop fanboying over this. This looks so goddamn nice. Alright, well, guess the next step, we'll charge this battery up. I'll get that all sorted out, the little car charger thing they've got. I've got a socket on my wall for it, just a little thing like that. I'll actually show that to you guys. They actually come in handy for your Traxxas cars if you don't want to buy the quick ID charger thing. So let me just grab that and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is the charger I use for me Traxxas batteries. It's just a little, same as your cigarette lighter car charger port that you've got, but just plugs into a mains. So it's got a little fuse in there that makes sure it converts the output of the wall to the output of what this needs for your batteries. I use this a lot. As you can see, the cable's a little bit bent out from how much I use this, but I only use this for charging my Traxxas cars just because I don't have the money for the ID charger, and honestly, when it comes down to it, I'm the type of person that I'd rather buy something cheaper so I can spend more money on the actual cars. I will get a proper Traxxas charger at some point in the future, but for now, while I've only got the two of them, this now is my second Traxxas, I cannot justify it. If I was running purely Traxxas, I would have one before I bought this car, but for $100, I'd rather buy more parts for this to get this going and fix this up. Had a few parts arrive already, so therefore another car that needs fixing. That's for my Project Fury car, which is I did lose the footage for that, unfortunately, due to an error. Not going to go into that too much, it really annoyed me. Got an air filter, because this one needs a new air filter. Look at that, it's grimy as. But yeah, so Project Fury that needs these parts here is a car that every time I break something, I'm upgrading it with the better parts. These are the stronger HSP ones, so you'll see that in the future. It needs a new motor. Probably going to throw a Titan in it, actually. And with all of my HSPs that are getting Titans in them, I'm going to be upgrading them to 8.4 volt batteries. So that way they can get way, way more power out of them. Alright, chuck some batteries in that, charge up the truck, and then we'll take it for a drive and we'll show you how it goes. Traxxas Ford F-150 Fox Edition, given it its first run, let's see how fast it can go. Ooh, that steering is harsh.